Step 5. Marketing collateral. 3 email templates: launch announcement, follow-up, and nurture. Subject lines, body copy, and CTAs ready to send. Landing page copy in 3 sections: the hero headline, a benefits section, and a call to action, each with strategic context, competitive angle, and A/B test suggestions. Digital ad copy for Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Audience alignment at 92%, CTR projections of 3 to 4.5%, with headline variations to test. 5 elevator pitches: investor, partner, customer, media, and internal recruitment, each with key talking points and objection handling. And the Content Transformation Studio, the same tool from BrandVoice. Paste any text, pick a platform and tone, and it rewrites in the brand's voice with a full analysis. That's BrandLaunch, 5 steps. From a 90-day roadmap and internal rollout kit to press releases, a 30-day social media calendar, and production-ready marketing collateral. Plus, a social media post creator that generates branded images with AI. Everything built from your brand foundation, ready to launch.